Hey inventors, welcome back. Today's challenge is Bubbles Build. You're going to try and mix together a bubble solution and test out different strings or items you can find around the house to make a bubble wand and then determine which one works best. So to make your bubble solution, all you need is some soap. I have dish soap, you can use hand soap, whatever kind of liquid soap you have in the house, a cup, and some water. So I also have a spoon because I like to measure this one out, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So again, you need soap, a cup, spoon, water, oh, and string, because this is what we're going to use to make bubble wands. And remember, I give you options because this is Inventors Club. So some other random things I thought I would try out to see if they can make a bubble wand are a rubber band, a hair tie, and these little twist ties I found from around a bread bag. So see what else you can find when you're gathering supplies that you think might make a cool wand for bubbles. You can, pause the video now and gather all your supplies, or watch the video, kind of see what I do, and then go and try out your own ideas for making bubbles. Okay, so to get started, you take your cup, and we're going to go ahead and add in some bubble solution. So to make it, we just have a spoonful of soap, and I didn't quite fill the entire spoon. I'm going to let that drip into my cup. Now, it will not come all the way off my cup. So what I have to do next is put the water. I'm going to move the camera so you can see better. And when I'm adding in the water, I'm going to do it slow. I'm just using cold water. And I'm letting the soap drip right off my spoon into the solution. And you see, it's really a drip. And it's already starting to bubble up. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster. And I filled it with water all the way to the top. So now I have what's a solution. But you see how there's some soap still on the bottom? So I have to combine all my ingredients by stirring to really get all of the materials mixed up evenly. Okay. You notice when I do my experiments, I'm usually in my kitchen because that's where I can make a mess in my house. Now, for this experiment, you may want to do it even outside. You can take your soap and your cup and hang out with the hose in the backyard. I mean, that's a great idea. But if you're like me and you're just working in a messy area, the kitchen is the best place for me to make a mess. And the second best option is my bathroom. Like literally just in my bathtub while I'm doing a bath. Like many of these experiments can be done in the bathtub. So, talk to your parents, decide where is your best place for your inventions, and then go get started. So now we have our solution. So I can just take my different items and dip them in and see if I can get little bubbles to form. Can you see that? Ah, I made a bubble! So the hair tie was working pretty good. Okay, let me try the rubber band. And I'm just taking these objects and dipping them straight in. All right, I got a bubble with a rubber band. Ooh, that was a good one. Let me try again. So awesome. Like really awesome. Okay, let me try some string. So I just cut a little piece of string and I'm going to tie a little loop I did that pretty quickly. You can kind of tie a loop however you know how to tie a loop. And I'm just going to fish for bubbles now. I mean, you guys are the inventors and inventors club, so I bet you'll even think of like other items around your house that might end up making cool bubble wands. Let's see. Yeah, the string. Let's see if I can do it up here where you can see it a little bit better. Yeah, this yarn is working okay, but kind of not as well as the rubber band did, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I'm going to go back to the rubber band, and the hair tie seemed to work really well. Now I'm going to use my twist tie and see if that will make it a little bit easier for me. Whoa! Success! All right, let me try with the hair tie. I also found there's another clasp that you can use from bread bags. I saved these little ones. I don't know if that would make a bubble. Let me try that out. Oh, they're so small. It like burst before it even had anywhere to go. So you can see I'm just trying out different ideas using some supplies I found around my house to see what makes the best bubble wand. And that's the challenge for you too, because something that works really well for me in my house might not have the same results in your house. So go figure out what items you can use to make the best bubble wands and let me know. Thanks so much, inventors. Feel free to send me your pictures and write to me with any questions you may have. And I'll see you in a Zoom class. Bye! Thanks for joining Scientist Diana.